rubble. Only rubble. Jesus. And a tree trunk, I think.
We're a little bit down, I would say like 40 centimeters, but still no sign apart from this reassuring thingy, which is a part of the pipe. So that's yeah. The annoying thing is with the pickaxe, I mean obviously I could go harder on it, but I don't want to. Well, if I meet the pipe, then obviously I break the pipe, so I need to go gently on it. Ooh. Ooh. Ooh, yeah. This does seem like a hole. All right, that does seem like it is the pipe that we need. But first, lunch. We found the hole. And let's move on. Feel the underside here, and this part seems to be loose. There seems to be a part missing here as well. This is one part of it. of the whole pipe. There's one more, I think. I found a piece there, and there's another piece. So I don't know, maybe we can put it back together with the pieces that we have. That would be ideal, I think. It's a bit narrow here, although I thought I was quite, you know, liberal with removing the dirt. Apparently I wasn't. I need to remove some more dirt on the sides so it won't start collapsing immediately when I start repairing the pipe. Yeah, just a lot of work really, so let's remove some more dirt. So in the meantime, Lyanne and Michaela are removing some plants from the facade on the other side of the building, so we can have some light enter the study room. Nice. So is it? Hello. On the leaf? No. Yes. Yes. Good. No. Please. Ugh. All right, I'm calling it today. It's gonna dark soon. I'm gonna prepare dinner, and tomorrow, the 6th day, I'm sure we'll make some progress. I got the pieces that were missing right there. I think that's all of them, but we'll see tomorrow. All right, hope you enjoyed this one. See you in the next one. Ciao.